We're going to give you all the tools, all the resources, the software that you need to make this super simple and very fast. Hey, if you're a business owner and you've been struggling to build your business credit, you are not alone. I have a lot of people who reach out to us all the time. They're in YouTube, they're on all these Facebook groups, and they're trying to figure out how to build their business credit profile, but nothing's working. They've been doing it for a long time and it has not been working. So I have something for you. I have a step-by-step game plan for you. My team will work with you hand on hand, one-on-one, to build your business credit profile. But not only that, we're going to give you all the tools, all the resources, the software that you need to make this super simple and very fast, and to effectively build your business credit profile. There's no more guesswork in it. It's the fastest way and the easiest way possible to build your business credit from scratch and get you very high business credit scores and get you in position to get EIN-only funding, as well as other types of funding like vendor credit, store credit, vehicle financing. Everything that you need is going to be here, and we're going to walk you through the process step by step. So if that's something you're interested in, click the link below, get scheduled with a call with my team, and we'd love to work with you. Talk to you soon.